Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stock My Closet. Today I'm sharing another version of gathered top. If you haven't seen the previous one, I have shared the link in the description box. You can check it out from there. This is super easy and you can make a lot of variations according to your choice. So let's get started. This is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. To make this top, I have taken 2-meter cotton fabric. Firstly, I'll cut the bodies. And for that, I have cut out the required length including seam allowance from the fabric. Now I'll mark the measurements. For shoulder, take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch, so half of it is 6.75 inch. Neck width is 3 inch. Mark half inch downwards for shoulder slope and join it to the neck width point. From this point, mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inch in my measurement. I'm deducting half inch as this is sleeveless top. Mark 1 inch inwards and again join it to the shoulder slope point. Now from the top, mark a point at 10.5 inch shoulder to burst point and 14.5 inch shoulder to waist point as well as length of the bodies. Now I'll mark the round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inch. 31 plus 2 is 33. And dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inch. For burst, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, burst round is 32 inch. 32 plus 3 is 35 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For waist, again I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, waist round is 28 inch. 28 plus 3 is 31 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 7.75 inch. Now I'll join these points. Give slight curve to this pointed shape. Adding seam allowance. Now I'll draw armhole curves. So with this, marking of bodice is complete. Now I'll cut it. Separate the back. Again fold the front bodies and now I'll cut the front armhole. For neckline, neck width is 3 inch. Neck depth is 7 inch, adding half inch for seam allowance. Again mark neck width point 3 inch and join these points. Mark another neck depth point at 5 inch. Mark another neck depth point. Now from the unfold side, mark 1 centimeter point and draw V shape till the bottom. And on the upper part, I'll draw the round shape. So this is the neckline shape. Now I'll cut it. So cutting of bodice is complete. Now I'll cut the bottom. For bottom, again I have cut out the required length, that is full length of top minus bodice length. Now from the unfold side, mark a point at 7 inch. Join these points. Now taking this line as center, I'll mark the bottom measurements. Mark the same waist measurement as we marked on the bodies, that is 7.75 inch. From the waist, mark 7 inch downwards for hip measurement. And for hip, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, hip round is 38 inch. 38 plus 3 is 41, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 10.25 inch. Now I'll join these points. For bottom, mark point at 11 inch. And I'll join these points as well, adding seam allowance. Now I'll cut it. So I've cut the front bottom. Now for back, I'm not adding gathers, so I've just cut this part for the back. If you want to add gathers in the back as well, just cut the similar piece for the back. So with this, cutting of my top is completed. Now I'll stitch it. On the front bodies, Mukta has done this beautiful painting. For full tutorial on painting, you can click the link in the description box, and do subscribe her channel for more such videos. However, you can also do embroidery, or you can use patchwork to decorate front. Firstly, I'll finish the neckline and armholes. To finish the front, I have taken a piece of same fabric as facing. And to finish back neckline and armholes, I have cut bias tapes. I've already shared a detailed video on how to finish neckline and armholes using bias tape, so I'm just skipping this part. Now I'll stitch the shoulder slope on both sides. So bodice is ready. Now I'll finish the bottom. Firstly, I'll finish the bottom round. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch. So I finished the bottom round. Now on the top, I'll make the basting stitch to add gathers. Just select the highest stitch length on your sewing machine and make a stitch. Now pull the bobbin thread and adjust the gathers according to the body's waist. Now I'll attach the bottom and the bodies. Just place the bodies on the bottom right sides together and make a stitch. overlock it. Now keep the seam allowance direction upwards and make a top stitch. Similarly, I'll attach back, bodies and bottom. Lastly, I'll stitch the side fitting seam on both sides. And with this, my top is completed and this is how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.